Hello guys, this is Muhammad Abbas from Pakistan. Welcome to my channel Learn English Grammar with Muhammad Abbas. Guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. So guys, our topic is modal auxiliary verb. I have already explained modal auxiliary verbs in previous videos. The link of those videos is given in the description. If you haven't watched those videos, you can watch those videos from the description. Today I am going to explain another modal auxiliary verb which is may or might. इस वीडियो में मैं एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूँ may या might. Is this clear? In this video I am going to explain may and might. So let's come to the topic. So here we are with the topic may or might. It is the last modal auxiliary verb. If we say in Urdu, may or might means shayad. In Urdu it means shayad. Is this clear, guys? Now what is may or might according to grammar? May and might are modal auxiliary verbs. According to grammar, they are modal auxiliary verbs. आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि ये modal auxiliary verbs क्या है? Modal auxiliary verbs वो verbs है जो मुमकिनात, ज़मींदारियाँ, काबिलियत को ज़ाहिर करते हैं. Is this clear? So see, now what is the structure of it? Its structure is all subjects plus may or might plus verb first form. फेल की पहली हालत, verb first form plus rest of the sentence. Now what does it mean? What does it mean all subjects? We have 7 subjects or pronouns. We can also call it pronouns. We have 7 pronouns. He, she, it, I, we, you, they. Is this clear, guys? Or you can also use singular name or plural names. Is this clear? So we can use all the subjects with may or might, and we have to use first form of the verb, means fail की पहली हालत. Is this clear? So see the the definition. What is the usage of it? How to use it and where to use it. इसकी इस्तेमालात क्या है और हम इसको कहाँ इस्तेमाल करते हैं और कैसे इस्तेमाल करते हैं. देखिए, may and might are used to show present or future possibility. It is used to show those possibilities which are happening in present or in future. ये कौन सी हालात के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं? ये वो possibilities, इम्कानात, जिस हालात में हमको इम्कानात जाहिर किया जाता है तो हम may और might को इस्तेमाल करते हैं. प्रेजेंट में और या फ्यूचर में हम इन दोनों ज़माने, प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर, इसको ज़माना कहा जाता है in उर्दू. if we say tenses, right? But present means जारी, future means मुस्तकबिल. ये वो हालात को जाहिर करते हैं और वो मुमकिनात को जाहिर करते हैं जो जारी और मुस्तकबिल में हादसा या वाक़या होते हैं. Is this clear? So see the example. After example you will come to know. He may come tomorrow. If I explain this sentence in English, it means that it is possible for him to come tomorrow. It is possible for him to come tomorrow. He may come tomorrow. Is this clear? As we know, you can say that it is used to show possibility. May and might are used to show possibility. So it is possible for him to come tomorrow. अगर we say in Urdu, शायद वो कल आ जाए. इस फिक्र का क्या मतलब है उर्दू में? शायद कि वो कल आ जाए. या फिर हम ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं कि उनके लिए मुमकिन है कि वो कल आ जाए. उनके लिए मुमकिन है कि वो कल आ जाए. So see, he may come tomorrow. Come is the first form of the verb, as you can see in the structure. First form, I said, fail की पहली हालत, ये fail है हमारे पास. Come जो है ये fail है. So he may come tomorrow. Is this clear, guys? See the second example. I might invite them to the wedding. I might invite them to the wedding. Now, if I want to explain it in English, I have to explain it like the way It is possible for me. It is possible for me to invite them to the wedding. Is this clear? It is possible for me to invite them to the wedding. But if I want to explain it in Urdu, ये मेरे लिए मुमकिन है कि मैं उन लोगों को अपनी शादी पे बुलाऊं और या दावत दूं. Is this clear? In Urdu, ये मेरे लिए मुमकिन है कि मैं उन लोगों के लिए और उन लोगों को अपनी शादी पर दावत दूं. Here might means मुमकिन और शायद. Is this clear, guys? I told you that we can use might or may with all the subjects. Here I use singular he, right? And here I use I, and it is plural. So I might, and as I said that both have the same meaning. May and might, they have the same meaning. दोनों का एक ही मतलब है. आप दोनों को इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. I used both, but in different sentences. He may come tomorrow, but I can also say that he might come tomorrow. He might come tomorrow. मैं ये से भी कह सकता हूँ कि he might come tomorrow. I can use might also here. So see the second example. I might invite them to the wedding, but I can also say that I may invite them to the wedding. I may invite them to the wedding. मैं ऐसे भी कह सकता हूँ कि I may invite them to the wedding. मैं यहाँ मैं भी इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ अगर मैं चाहूँ. Is this clear, guys? So now come to the another step. So here we are with another step of may and might. It has two steps. The one is been explained, but the second one is going to be explained. May और might का दो स्टेप्स हैं हमारे पास. एक स्टेप तो मैंने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया और सेकंड स्टेप एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूँ. So देखिए, may I or might I can be used to get permission. We can whenever we want to get permission, or whenever we want to get permission to use something, then we have to make a question with may I or might I. Is this clear? कभी भी हम चाहते हैं कि किसी चीज को इस्तेमाल करने के लिए हम किसी से इजाजत ले, तो हम may I और might I को इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Is this clear, guys? So see the example. After example you will come to know. May I use your pen? May I use your pen? So now what does it mean? It means that is it possible for me to use your pen? Is it possible for me to use your pen? Is this clear? In Urdu, yes, we say may I use your pen? क्या मैं आपका पेन इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ? क्या मैं आपका पेन इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ? इजाजत लेते हैं हम. जैसे कि मैंने कहा आप लोगों के कि जब भी हम किसी चीज को इस्तेमाल करने के लिए किसी से इजाजत लेना चाहते हैं, तो फिर हम इसी से सवाल हमको चाहिए कि हम इसी may I use your pen, may I से सवाल को बनाएं. Is this clear? So may I use your pen? हम इजाजत चाहते हैं किसी से किसी चीज को इस्तेमाल करने के लिए. Now I want to get permission from someone that can I use your pen? Can I use your pen? Is it possible for me to use your pen? Is it clear? See the second example. Might I check your copy? Might I check your copy? You can see in the step may I or might I can be used to get permission. We can use both of them to get permission. हम इन दोनों को इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं इजाजत लेने के लिए. हम may I के साथ भी इजाजत ले सकते हैं और might I के साथ भी इजाजत ले सकते हैं. If we want to get permission, we can use both. May I or might I. It doesn't matter because both have the same meaning, as I said. Is this clear, guys? So might I check your copy? Now what does it mean? It means that is it possible for me to check your copy? Is it possible for me to check your copy? As we say in Urdu, क्या मैं आपकी कॉपी चेक कर सकता हूँ? क्या मैं आपकी कॉपी चेक कर सकता हूँ? Is this clear, guys? So here we got not this not. I have been saying that whenever we have not in the topic, so it means that there is something extra about that topic. There is something extra about that topic. So see, might I is less frequently used than may I to get permission. Now what does it mean? Whenever we want to get permission, we mostly use may I, not might I. Very frequently or very rarely we use might I. We do not go for might I, but we do go for may I. Whenever we want to get permission, we use may I. May I come in? May I use your pen? May I do that? May I do this? Is this clear? Whenever हम चाहते हैं कि किसी चीज को इस्तेमाल करने के लिए इजाजत लें किसी से, तो हम ज्यादातर may I को इस्तेमाल करते हैं बनिस्बतन might I को. might I जो है वो बहुत कम, अक्सर, कभी कभार हम इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. frequently means कभी कभार. तो हम may I को बहुत ज्यादा इस्तेमाल करते हैं बजाय might I को. Is this clear, guys? So now if you guys have any kind of problem in this topic, you can ask me in comment box. I will be there to answer your questions. Guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. Thank you.